In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick the fastest server in ProtonVPN on your Windows PC, so your VPN connection is as speedy as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up the ProtonVPN app on your Windows machine. If you haven't located it yet, you might find it in the Start menu or on your desktop. Once you've opened the app, it's time to make the most of its built-in features. The easiest way to swiftly connect to a quick server is by clicking the Quick Connect button. By doing this, you're allowing ProtonVPN to take the reins. The app will automatically try to connect you to the fastest available server based on its algorithm. This is a great feature for those who are new to VPNs or simply want a hassle-free experience. However, if you're someone who prefers having a bit more control over your server selections, ProtonVPN has options for you too. Head over to the Profiles tab within the app. When you're there, you have the opportunity to create or edit a profile. Make sure you choose the fastest option for the server selection. This selection allows you to switch servers quickly while maintaining optimal speed. It's customization that takes the guesswork out of choosing the best server for your current needs. Should you wish to explore even further, open up the Countries tab. Here, you'll find a list of countries. Expand one to reveal individual servers located within. This is where the server load indicator becomes your best friend. You'll want to look for servers with a low load, which are shown by color indicators or percentages. Lower load means less traffic and typically faster speeds. Choose a server that appears to have a low amount of activity. This is crucial for maintaining a speedy connection. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Connect. To ensure that you've made the right choice, it's a good idea to test your connection speed. You can use a simple speed test tool, readily available online, to check if the server is providing you with the fast connections you need. And there you have it. That's how you go about picking the fastest server in ProtonVPN on a Windows PC. By using either the Quick Connect button or creating a custom fastest profile, you're set up for better speeds, making your browsing experience smoother. In our next video, I'll be sharing tips on how to save your favorite servers and quickly switch between them. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.